So guys, welcome back to another video. So today we are playing Drain the Lake. In this game, we have to drain a full lake and find our phone from it. So first of all, I'll do a Robux spin because I have a Robux. I have Robux, so I'll do the spin. One free. I'll spin. One bird. Come, bro, come, bro, come here, come here. Bro, we have to play a easy game to unlock medium. We have to win the game in easy mode. We have to do at least 3 to 4 tasks. Keep okay. Fill the lake. Seven to fill the water. Um, bro, we have to do it. Collect your tokens. Bro, this is mine. Go. That side is your. What? Bro, how could we literally fill up here? Bro, this is so big of a lake. How will we empty all of this? Bro, how will we empty? Upgrade. Bro, upgrade things faster, okay? Do it upgrade faster so we can do the lake faster. Upgrade the spin rate. I also. 700%. Okay, now I will go. Bro, I have to do something of the stamina, bro. Correct. Deep lungs too, I'll buy it. I'll buy a deep lung too. I have now I can go into the water. What? What drain? Quicker drain, I'll buy the quicker drain, bro. Quicker drain is so important, bro. Yeah. From where? Richer gems, I'll buy some like strong swimmer. I was saying, bro, now I'll go to the surf. Bro. Bro, remember this is a easy mode. We have to make more parts, and in this video, we have to do medium mode in this video as well. In this only video, no, brother, we have to create do. We have to do this like medium mode in this as well because lake is draining. See, lake is draining, bro. See, lake has drained. We will try to make part 2 in this video only. Richard James. Richard James is important. Bro, lungs are stamina. Like, I don't know, but it is useful, bro. I think it is useful. They're legitimate. I am going here and there to collect. I could get more good of gems. I think. Oh, there's a good gem. Okay. 33 I got. Nah, that's no good. 33 is less. Bro, open it, open it, do open. We got tickets. I only got 10 tickets. Bro, it is draining. It is draining really fast. We can do it. Bro, our phone could come fast, bro. We are draining the lake as well. Roomy bucket. Bro, there's a shark. Bro! Ah! She attacked me. Bro, we have to do something. Shark attacks. Bro, shark really attacks, bro. I was like, I go. What? It get all it, brother. It is already equipped. It does not show, but it is. It look like blue, but it is already equipped to you. Okay, some gems on this. Brother, there's a shark. Bro, remember a thing. You should buy steady hands, like fast hand to fill faster. In the bucket one, it is very useful, brother. It does like you fill faster. Your get filled faster. Your things, your bucket get filled faster. Bro, we can now buy like we have to do something. Fast. Swift scoop. Yes, so you have to buy swift scoop and steady hands. I bought three or four, I think. Come. Let's fill up. Oh, there's a shark coming. Shark. Let's go. We could empty it here as well. Roomy bucket four. Okay. Bro, we could deposit things. We could deposit things down there as well. Ah! Shark! No. Bro, my HP. Shit. Oh, shit. Yes. Bro, shark was attacking me. Now we can do work from here. We don't have to go up. Come up from here. Shit. You came back? Okay. Come into water. Then mean you cannot do something. You can just spectate me, bro. On the name of you, bro. I will win for you. I will this do it. Nah, bro. No, you are dead, so you could just spectate me. I think that what it is. I am buying carnivore's bucket. Not a glitch then, bro. Bro, we are reaching down. I died as well. We 2 minutes. Let me check. Yeah, let me check. Yeah, yeah, I can feel. I can feel. ₹240 है मेरे पास. क्या लूं अब मैं. मेरे को शायद से कुछ करेक्टर में लेना पड़ेगा. नहीं, आई डोंट नो. Let's buy the character, bro. Fleet footed. I need to buy sprinter thing. Bro, see, I'm running fast. Checkpoint 3 unlocked. Okay. I don't know, but I'm running fast. How to go up? Hmm. We have to parkour to do. I have to parkour to go up. बस ये तेरा अच्छी काम है. है bro. ले और खाऊंगा मैं. Bro, we have to literally do parkour to get up, bro. Fuck. Parkour. Wow. Nice. Bro, we are literally reaching down. I was like, how could we empty our. Yeah, we will do medium in this as well, bro. We will do medium in this video only. Bro, my lung tree is max. Diamond polish. Diamond. Bro, my lungs aren't going. I could swim for how much longer I want. My lungs are not going. I cannot swim. I can swim for how much time I want. My lungs are not going because I have maxed out my lung tree. It is almost the surface, man. We have reached it. It is almost the surface. Come down. Fast. Come. We have almost reached. Empty. Empty it. Checkpoint 4. Oh, where is checkpoint 4 now? Where? Bro, where, bro? I don't know. Bro, we have done. I cannot do teleport to surface. And where is the river now? No. I have reached. I am here. No, I have reached. I have come. What? What? Bro, how to come up? I cannot come up. There is no surface button for me. Bro, tell me. Surface button finally. What? What do you mean? What the hell, man? What? What Nila? Keep why? Bro, how long will this game? I cannot reach the end. I will not. Why? Then you have two buckets. What bucket do you have right now? you cannot like you are saying you cannot do up and down scrolling. Why? Why? Just huh? Bro, there's a chest. Bro, there's a chest. Come back. Forget. Bro, forget it. You just do it. We will reach it.
ना पूरे के साथ चावल
Bro,
खाने
there's a
हैं।
chest. Come down. Come down. Here. I have drained it. I have drained it.
ना पूरे के साथ चावल खाने हैं।
What?
अनाया मम्मा कुछ पूछ रही है अनाया।
भाई यहाँ पे
मेरे
bro,
साथ
down
चावल
here,
खाने हैं।
down.
अनाया
What you get? Me too, but you have to open chest. It will be useful, I think, to drain this much of water. I I have my bucket maxed. I have every bucket in the game now.
पूरा चावल खाने हैं।
Bro, try to buy something that you don't have. Try to buy something that you don't have right now. Buy other things. You can buy other things. The mirror. Diamonds, I'll come here. Bro, click on it, it will automatically buy. Click on it, it will be automatically buy. Whatever. Come down. We can unlock the next checkpoint. Come down. Do mining, Mining. We can reach it. We have reached it. Let's go. I'll drain, I'll drain all of it. Yes. Done. Now what I can buy? I have everything except diamonds, okay. But I cannot buy these diamonds. Now fully trained. No, I now I am fully trained. I have everything in this game. Now I have everything in this game successfully. Bro, first of all, we have to complete easy mode to play medium mode. Complete means complete, like 100%. Guys, there was a like thing that my video just got. No, you can understand it got paused. I have everything. I have everything. What could I do? I will just do mining now. Come mine with me. I have already opened that. Bro, I have literally 456. Okay, this. Okay, I'll open. Do. Do fast, do fast. Shark. I am getting damaged. I am getting damaged. Bro, how long is this game? Why? Bro, how long is this game? Why can I find the yeah. Part 2 is equal to medium. No medium in this video. Sorry, guys. I am here. I am here. I am here. Yes. Bro, I have Swift mining and carnivorous buckets 3C. I can do it really fast. What could how how can you know about that? Yeah. Bro, asked to me 2,500 tickets. Sorry. Bro, try to buy. First of all, try to buy. I have auto as well. I have auto collect. I have maxed out everything because of that. I get auto collect. It will not scroll. Try to reset. Try to reset. कोई नहीं. Come to mining. Come to mining. Do mining. I think this is the last stage. I don't know. Bro, do it fast. Do it fast. Do it fast. I have seen this chest. I will open it now. Bro, another checkpoint. How long is this game? Bro, we need to complete easy mode so we could create the part 2. Come, come here as well. What? I don't know. 200, 350. Bro, how could you see that? Do it fast. I have what? Bro, 5,000 tickets. How good? How will I do 5,000 tickets? What will I do? Bro, do mining. Now even can't you mine? Please do mining, bro. Uh, Where are you? Not here. You are not doing. You are up. जब तेरी फुल हुई मेरी 40% थी. Bye. We can do it. I think this is the end, bro. I think this is the end now, bro. I think I could see it. I think this is the end, but I cannot think this is the end. I think what is that? I could not think anything. I cannot see any checkpoint.
गोलू तेज
I think not a checkpoint. It is not a checkpoint. I could see that. I think we are close. Phone. I got the. Yes. Ah! Yes! I got the phone. Oh. Bye guys. Bye guys. I'll end the video.